morning guys. In previous class we have discussed the work done, next energy. Now we will discuss the power. Here power is nothing but it is the rate of change of work done. See, P is equal to, or it is the ratio of work done to the time, and its SI unit is watt. In terms of CGS system, it is hertz, and in FPS system, it is foot pounder per second. Okay. Next, the dimension formula for this power. It is m raised to 1, n raised to 2, t raised to minus 3. Now, SI unit is watt. Then, how we define the 1 watt? Okay. See, power is said to be 1 watt if the work done is 1 joule per 1 second. See, 1 watt is a power is said to be 1 watt. Power is said to be 1 watt if 1 joule of work done, 1 joule of work done is at 1 second. Is at 1 second. Next, another concept is there, that is horsepower. Horsepower is equal to the 550 ft per pounder per second, or 746 watt. Next concept is elastic collision. Collision is nothing but a striking of two bodies. See, next concept is collision. Collision is nothing but the striking of two bodies. Striking of two bodies. One body of mass m1 and another body of mass m2. It is having the velocity u1 and it is having the velocity u2 initially. After the collision, its velocity changes to v1 and body v velocity changes to v2, and it is having the same mass before the collision. In this collision, we have two types. One is elastic collision. Another one is inelastic collision. Okay. The collision here, in collision, total momentum must be conserved. Every trigonometry, total momentum must be conserved. That means the momentum before the collision is equal to the momentum after the collision. Collision is based on the momentum, conservation of momentum. Okay. In elastic collision, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ momentum and kinetic energy kinetic energy must be conserved. Okay. In elastic collision, the momentum and kinetic energy must be conserved. Okay, that means the momentum before the collision and as well as the kinetic energy before the collision is equal to the after the collision. Next one is in elastic collision. In elastic collision, in this case, what happens? The only momentum is conserved, but kinetic energy is not conserved. Kinetic energy not conserved. Okay. Another one is in this elastic collision. One more thing is head-on collision. Head-on collision. See, in this head-on collision, the body striking, after the striking, it takes place in the same line. If ನೋಡ್ರಿ, two bodies ಅದಾವು, strike ಆಗೈತಿ. After striking ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಎರಡು ಬಾಡಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? ಹೆಡ್ ಆನ್ collision. Next, we have one derivation for this elastic collision. We will see. What is elastic collision? Is the collision in which momentum and the kinetic energy must be conserved. Next, expression for the elastic collision in one dimension. Expression for elastic collision in one dimension. Okay. For this, we have considered two bodies of mass m1 and m2. This is the body A and it is the body B. It is having the velocity, initial velocity u1 and for body B, it is having the velocity u. After the collision, its velocity changes to v1 and mass remains same, and body B's velocity changes to v2 and the mass remains same. Okay. Next, assume m1 is greater than m2. ಇದರ ಮಾಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಐತ್ರಿ, ಇದರ ಮಾಸ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಐತಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, from the law of conservation of momentum. Law of conservation of momentum. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ರಿ law of conservation of momentum? Previous class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Momentum before the collision must be equal to the after the collision. Momentum before collision is equal to the momentum after the collision. ಹೌದ್ರಿ? ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ momentum ಏನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ, for body A momentum is product of mass and velocity. For body B ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೀತೀವಿ m1. Next, initial velocity u1. Okay, for body B m1 u1. Next, plus m2 ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ m1 v1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ m1 v1 is equal to m2 v2 minus m2 u1. ಓಕೆ, ಏನಿಲ್ರಿ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದೈತಿ, ಇದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ here m1 is common, m1 take m1 as common. ಏನು ಉಳಿದ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ v1 minus u1 minus v1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಐತ್ರಿ m2 v2 minus u. Okay, call this as equation number 1 and this is as equation number 2. Next, in elastic collision, momentum and kinetic energy also conserved. We have discussed the law of conservation of momentum. Now we have to discuss the law of conservation of kinetic energy. See, from conservation of kinetic energy. Okay, kinetic energy before the collision is equal to the kinetic energy after the collision. See, we know that kinetic energy is half mv square. For body A, it is half m1. For body A, it is m1, and the velocity, initially its velocity is u1. We can write u1 square plus half m2. According to this formula, m2 and u2 whole square. Okay, that is equal to the kinetic energy after the collision. See, half for body A, half m1 v1 whole square plus half m2 v2 whole square. Okay, next, see, next what we will do, half is common here, take half common, in ulitre m1 u1 whole square plus m2 u2 whole square, that is equal to half m1 v1 whole square plus m2 v2 whole square. Okay, half get cancelled. Okay, half get cancelled. It remains with the m1 v1 whole square plus m2 u2 whole square, that is equal to m1 v1 whole square plus m2 v2 whole square. See, m1 terms one kade itkori, m1 u1 whole square, this term ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ರಿ ಹೌದಾ, ಮೈನಸ್ m1 v1 whole square equal to the ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ರಿ ಹೌದಾ, m2 v2 whole square minus m2 u1 whole square. Common is m1 u1 whole square minus v2 whole square, that is equal to m2 v2 whole square minus u2 whole square. Okay, m2 v2 whole square. Call this as equation number 3. Now, equation 3 by 2. Now divide the equation 3 by 2. Okay, illenidri no m1 u1 whole square minus v1 whole square whole divided by this term m1 from equation 2 and 3. See, this term divided by this equal to this term divided by this. M1 U1 minus V1 is equal to M2 U2 whole square minus whole square divided by M2 U2 minus V2 minus U1. Okay. See, M1 cancel, M2 get cancel, and also we have one formula A square minus B square. You know that A plus B and A minus B. Notice A minus B whole square. Okay. See. A square minus then ಬರೆಯುವುದಿರಿ A minus B into A plus B. ಹೌದ್ರಿ? Whole divided by this side. U1 minus B is equal to see A minus B. U2 minus V2 minus U1 into V2 plus U1 whole divided by this V2 minus U. See this term get cancelled, this term get cancelled. ಏನು ಉಳಿಸ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ U1 plus V1 is equal to U2 plus V2 plus U2. Okay. U2 plus V2. Call this as equation number 4. Next, put 4 in equation 1. Equation equation 1 is M1 U1 M1 U1 minus V1 is equal to M2 V2 minus U2. The value in okay. Order V1 value in V1 value in equation 1 ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ M1 okay M1 U1 V1 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕಿ minus U2 plus V2 U2 minus V1 is equal to M1 V1 minus this value V2 plus U2 minus U1. Okay, that is equal to the M2 V2 minus U1. Solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ M1 U1 minus V2 minus into plus minus U2 minus into minus plus that is equal to M2 V2 minus M2 U1. Okay, ಇದು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ ನೋಡಿ U1 plus U1 ಏನ್ರಿ 2U1 minus V2 minus U2 that is equal to M2 V2 minus M2 U1. Okay. Next m solve. m2 m u1 minus m1 v2 minus m1 ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಹೌದಲ್ಲ m1 u2 that is equal to m2 u2 minus m2 u1. Okay, m2 u1 ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ for v2 or v2 ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಓಕೆ 2m u1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ m1 u1 whole square is equal to m2 v2 ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ m1 v2. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗಿ m1. Next here common is v2 m1 plus m2. Okay, here common is m1 ಏನು ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ 2 u1 minus u. Okay, v2 solve. v2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊರಿ, ಇದು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ m1 2 u1 minus u2 whole square divided by m1 plus m2. Okay, m1 plus. Next for v1 interchange. For v1 is equal to m2 2 u2 minus u1 divided by m1 plus m2. Okay. Next. Student, now we have to discuss the expression for the potential energy of a string by a graphical method. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈಗ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗಿಗೆ, ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಏನು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಹೌದು. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಏನು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ ಹಂಗ ಬಾಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಗತೈತಿ ಹೌದ್ರಿ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಇನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದಿ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ shaded triangle, area shaded triangle. You know the area of triangle half into base into height, half to base into height. Area of triangle. So half base into height. OC into OA. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ OC is x and OA is kx. The kx is force is directly proportional to the extension, that is equal to F into K into x. ನೋಡ್ರಿ OA is equal to K into x. Okay, OC is x and OA is K into x. X into x square. Work done is equal to half K x square. Work done is stored in the string as a potential energy. Then work done becomes the potential energy. PE is equal to U is equal to half A x. Next, variation of potential energy, kinetic energy and total energy of a vibrating string. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ವರ್ಸಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಸಿ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ವರ್ಸಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಒಂದು ಕರ್ವ್ A O B representing potential energy in a vibrating string and curve C E D representing kinetic energy and this A E B representing total energy. In ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ end points are called as extreme position, extreme point. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ potential energy curve A O B ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ for the highest point potential energy maximum ಐತಿ. Potential energy at the extreme position potential energy is maximum and at the midpoint the potential energy is 0. See nodi extreme position ಒಳಗೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ potential energy maximum ಐತಿ. Maximum at the extreme position and the 0 at the mid position or middle point. Next, kinetic energy curve CED. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ kinetic energy this curve ನೋಡ್ರಿ this curve. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ kinetic energy 0 ಐತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 0 ಐತಿ at extreme point 0 ಐತಿ. Next at middle point it is maximum at mean position and 0 at extreme position. Potential energy is maximum at extreme position and the 0 at mean position.